Sure, here's a basic script on how to earn money from YouTube. Hello and welcome to this guide on how to earn money from YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, making it a great platform for content creators to reach a large audience and monetize their videos. Here are the steps to start earning money from YouTube. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. The first step is to create a YouTube channel. You can do this by signing into YouTube with your Google account, going to your account settings, and clicking on Create a Channel. Once your channel is created, you can start uploading videos. Step 2. Meet the YouTube Partner Program requirements. To be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. This means that your content needs to be engaging and attract a large audience. Step 3. Monetize your videos. Once you meet the requirements, you can apply for monetization. This means that you can start showing ads on your videos and earn money when viewers click on them. You can also earn money from YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your videos. Step 4. Build your audience and engagement. To increase your earnings, you need to build your audience and engagement. This means creating quality content that is relevant and interesting to your audience. You should also engage with your viewers by responding to comments and creating a community around your channel. Step 5. Diversify your income streams. In addition to ads and YouTube Premium revenue, you can also earn money from sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. This means that you should explore different income streams to maximize your earnings. In conclusion, earning money from YouTube requires dedication and hard work, but it can be a rewarding and profitable endeavor. By following these steps and creating quality content that resonates with your audience, you can build a successful YouTube channel and earn money from it.